Hi guys, thank you for tuning into another episode of Charismatic Faces. Just wanted to share my birthday with you guys. It was a beautiful one. My birthday is May 22nd, and oh my God, it started off beautiful. Like, this waffle was freaking awesome. That's all I wanted because y'all know we in quarantine. And then dinner, which is what you're seeing now, was bomb.com. It was so freaking lit. A whole live lobster with shrimp and corn and crab legs, which I did not picture, but they were good. They were freaking awesome. But, we styled up the plate, we fixed it up, and then I had to get ready to put on the makeup and get cute because I wanted to do a photo shoot. Now, my little fake quarantine photographer, he kind of, bailed on me a bit. But it's okay. Where there's will, there's a way, and I worked it out. So y'all know I had to really do it up, right? And y'all know that these products that I used were Profusion, if you didn't know already. Like, I love their eyeshadows. And then I had to do a nice little cell phone, photo shoot before we actually got to the real photo shoot. So if you are interested in how these pictures for the photo shoot came about, which, by the way, I loved, please stay tuned. I'm going to do a full detailed video with another photo shoot so that way you guys can see exactly how this whole vision came to life. So please stay tuned. I hope you enjoy. I know this is a short video, but thank you guys for watching and continue watching the videos because it was a good quarantine birthday. So don't let nobody tell y'all that y'all can't have a good quarantine birthday because you got to get creative. Look at that Douce. Y'all got to get real creative though. But thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.